call my interpreter. Hi everyone, my name is Lance Aaron Mendoza and I am representing the College of Education. So before... So, bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng short description about my costume. So this costume symbolizes three things. First is panaginnawa. Second, namnama. And third is as educator. First is silaw pala. So silaw, the light that guides every student through the journey of life. Second is panaginnawa and namnama, understanding and hope. So this mascot reminds us that greatest Christmas story is the one written in the classroom. And it symbolizes, nakikita nyo naman guys, may mga books and this costume name Educador nandun sa taas. So yun lang po and thank you.